Hello ladies. So this is skincare, comes out of Korea. For those that are new, my name is Donna, but let's get right into it. It's a simple, easy routine in the mornings. And the morning it depends on the person. Like the morning routines, the nighttime routine is pretty much the same for everyone, but the daytime routine, you can simplify it to suit your lifestyle. I know some ladies want 1 or 2 products, some will do more, some want more anti-aging. So it depends on what you're looking for, how much time you have in the mornings, but it's really, really simple and it delivers results. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to get the free skincare quiz, let me know and I can send that to you. It's an amazing skincare line. There's ingredients in here that you won't find in any other skincare, and it delivers results. And I've seen huge differences in my skin. Fine lines and wrinkles are really diminished. My eyelids have actually lifted. I posted a picture there yesterday. Redness, hyperpigmentation, age box have all lightened. So let's get into it. So in the morning, I do not use a cleanser. I have combination skin, which is, it's dry on the sides and oily in the middle. I'm just going to use my microfiber cloth and I just clean my face. I just wet my face. Just get rid of the sleep in my eyes. And that's it. If you have oily skin, you may want to use this snow enzyme cleanser, and that will help clean out the pores, because I know oily skin, you have a lot more challenges. Yeah, so you may want to do the snow enzyme cleanser. So that was my cleanser. I didn't cleanse, I just washed my face today. So next we're going to go into our Vieton Oil Mist. Now the Vieton Oil Mist has a lot of anti-aging properties, and this is going to prep your skin. It's an oil water based solution. So you're going to shake this, and it has some amazing ingredients for anti-aging. It has camellia seed extract, which slows the signs of aging. It soothes the skin. I'm just going to put that on and let that soak in. This is one of my favorite products. And this one, you can use this during the day. It's great for underneath your, starting out your makeup, just going to prep the skin. It's great for underneath your, under your skincare. It's great for underneath your makeup as a primer. And it's great for over your makeup, or anytime during the day you want a little extra refresh. And then you can just smooth it out, or you can just let it dry in. So next we're going to go into the Calming Balancing Gel. And this is amazing if you have redness, if you have sensitive skin, if you have rosacea, if you have acne, if you have a man in your life. They love this. The Calming Balancing Gel is very, very light, and you only need a small amount. So you see this tube. This is a huge tube. This lasts me at least 3 months. So you need a pea-sized amount. There it is there. And we're just going to swoop that in. So this has deep hydration. It helps with redness. It's great for mature skin, great for sensitive skin. Anyone that's looking for a really nice youthful glow, which is everyone, we're going to put that in. So this adds 72 hours of hydration. So in the morning, if you are someone that just wants something really, really simple and you don't have oily skin, if you have oily skin, the Vieton Oil Mist is probably not going to work for you right away until your skin is adjusted. So just do your calming gel, and then you can do an SPF, and you are good to go. So that's a nice, quick, easy routine. This adds beautiful hydration through the day. So that's a nice, easy one. But I like to go a little further because I want all the anti-aging that I can get. So we have 2 products that are exclusive to RIMAN, and these are the booster and the serum. So we call this Boosie Boo. So these are the powerhouse anti-aging ingredients. It has niacinamide, it's going to brighten. It has hyaluronic acid, so it's deep hydration. And they have 2 ingredients that really fight the signs of aging. And they are amazing. So I like to, you can spray it on your face. You can spray it on your hands. Or if you have an extra Vieton Oil Mist bottle that's empty, clean it out and add the booster here, and you'll get a really, really fine mist spray. And this is great for traveling as well. We're going to rub that in. Now with the products, you want to let them soak into the skin. So a lot of times I'll rub it in. If you have a little fan, you can use that as well. I have a little handheld one that I use, but you want to let that soak in until it's not wet, and then you go into your serum. So just give it a couple of seconds. So that is my booster. So I do that. So this is a 3-step process. The booster primes your skin. It adds that layer of hydration. Then we're going to go in with the serum. Then we're going to get a full, and we're going to push it into our hands and smooth that all over. Do your eyes. This really helps. All the products help with hyperpigmentation. It helps with dark circles. It helps with under eye lines and wrinkles. It does all the anti-aging. Do around your lips. And we're just gonna lightly spread that out and let that soak in for like a good 30 seconds. So you're getting that out. Any extra you have, put on your chest. Always do your neck. This is where we show our signs of age. And I get messages from ladies saying, okay, my face looks amazing, but my neck, I never took care of my neck. Never put any SPF on it. So it's showing its signs. So once you start using the RIMAN Ritual, one of them, it will improve immensely. It will tighten the fine lines and wrinkles, will diminish, and even hyperpigmentation will lighten. So it's really, really nice on the skin. And one of the things that I love about RIMAN is that, I know I get questions like, oh, is it really great? It's amazing. You cannot find any of these ingredients. They have 13 patented ingredients and 2 hero products. 2 hero ingredients, I should say. So you're not going to find, so another way to do the booster, you can spritz it on your hands as well. You're not going to find the ingredients in these products anywhere else in the world. We are the one and the only, and that is why it has gone viral and why it works so well. They have done their research. It's all plant-based, it's vegan, it's cruelty-free. They grow all their own ingredients. That's why there's patents on them. So they have 13 products that they grow themselves. And then they have, they're the only company that has access to 2 of our hero products. And it's all made in Korea. It's all clean-based ingredients, and it's beautiful on your skin. Great for sensitive skin, great for acne-prone, great for men, great for women, great for mature. And it's a simple system. There's like, all we have in the whole system is like 9 products, and that's all that you need. And you can mix and match to what you need for your skin or what you're looking for within your budget. And that's where the skincare quiz comes in. You send that to me, and then I can send you back a little bit of information on what works for you, and then you can decide if you'd like to proceed or not. So that was my skincare right there. 4 products that I use in the morning time, and then I always finish with my SPF. So my skin, first when I started, my skin was really, really dry. I always had great skincare, but my skin was still dry because a lot of the products that we purchase is just surface hydration. It doesn't sink deep down into the cells, but RIMAN sinks deep, deep down. And that's why you see that noticeable difference within a few days. It will sink down, your fine lines and wrinkles will be plumped up. The redness, rosacea, hyperpigmentation, everything will brighten over time. And it's a beautiful product. First, when I started, I didn't bring it up, was the EX cream. Now the EX cream is very luxurious. It's a heavy cream, but if you have really dry skin, it sinks in really fast. So the EX cream, first when you start it, you may need that in the mornings. So, and then once your skin adjusts, you may not need that anymore. But if you do use EX cream, let that sink into your skin before you do your makeup. But now I do not use the EX cream in the morning. I find it's too heavy on my skin. And then if I'm in a rush in the mornings, I just use my SPF. And this is RIMAN as well. And this is skincare infused, and this is SPF 50. So we're going to take a couple of fingers. I wear SPF all year long. I live in a cold, cold climate. But today it's sunny, and I want to put on a little bit of SPF just to protect my skin. And it also gives me that deep hydration as well. Skincare infused, there's hyaluronic acid, there's vitamin E, there's vitamin A, so it will peptides, diaminoside, so it will really, really help protect my skin from all the elements that I see outside. So that's my full skincare routine. Simple, easy, products that deliver results. If you were like me, you've tried everything that was out there. With this, the more you use it, the more benefits you will see. The before and afters that you take will be noticeable. So thank you ladies for watching. Anybody has any questions, reach out, let me know. It's an amazing product. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not happy with it. But you know, if you don't know, you don't try it. And it is beautiful. Anyone that has it has raved about the results that they've gotten. And they can't imagine going back to traditional Western skincare. Bye, ladies. Have a great day.